Hello and welcome for Weekly Effect, how to start from zero to hero in Forex trading the safest and fastest way. And we're going to start in 1 minute from now. If you're ready, please type ready in the chat below the video live streaming now. Welcome guys, welcome. Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to the special program tonight with Zero to Hero, brought to you by Weekly FX. Alright, so I need a bigger font here to read the chat. Alright, welcome. So I can see lots of people here. We have like a 9100 tonight, and we're going to have a blast from 8:30 to 11 p.m. How are you doing guys? Alright, so I'm here and I'm seeing you guys from Maha Muhammad Asru, welcome. And tonight we're gonna special broadcast from the live streaming from the Weekly FX Malaysia page. Alright, if you are in YouTube right now, I'm going to paste a link. So please go to the Facebook page because I'm going to take your comment on the Facebook page. Is it okay? We do some housekeeping here. All right. Yep. That's the links. You can see the link. All right. If you are in the Facebook page already, the WikiFX Malaysia, that should be fine. And if you are in YouTube right now, especially you know me and follow me as your teacher or guide, so please go to the Facebook as well. Right now we have broadcasting to 100 over for tonight's session with a special session from Zero to Hero. All right, give a hand. All right, we need to pump up our energy. We're going to push again some music. All right. Awesome. High music, very high music. Yeah, that's it. Welcome, Nazrul. Can you make it a bigger font? I need to comment. Hi, Shami. Yes, hi, Shami. Hi. Welcome. Nazrul, don't understand speak English? Nope, no problem. You can ask Emily. I will ask our speakers here tonight. So this special event is brought to you by WikiFX. This program is about how to make money online from zero to hero. All right, how many of you want to make money from zero to hero? You know nothing and going to start and make real money, consistent money, and big money for the long term. Say yes. Please type yes. Awesome, Dylan. Awesome. All right, awesome. And please go to the link for the Facebook watch tonight. All right, can you please highlight a few comments from our friend that say yes? So Dylan, hi Dylan. From Ismail, yes, Tengku Mike, welcome Tengku Mike. All right, can you please highlight a comment from Shahmi also to make it more lively? I'm Gerardo, by the way. I'm a host and a speaker. I'm a Forex trader for 15 years. And now I'm teaching in YouTube through various platforms such as WikiFX. All right. Awesome. Good job, guys. Good job. All right, this special program will focus on main angle, especially from broker side and the trader side. Okay, good. Are you good? Okay, awesome. Fonseca Gordon. Okay, before we start, I want to know where you come from. All right, please state your location, where you come from. Okay, please state your location, where you come from. I want to know where you come from. All right, where you come from, please. Where you come from. Can you remove the, yes, please. All right, thank you. So where you come from? And please showcase to me where you come from. All right, from Penang, give a hand to Penang, give a hand to Penang. Give a hand to Penang, awesome. To Vietnam, welcome Vietnam. Terengganu, welcome Terengganu. Egypt, welcome Egypt. We have some Egypt. We have from Egypt. All right, we have from Kuantan. Give a hand to Kuantan. And Zook from Pahang. Awesome. Dylan from KL. All right, from Selangor. And Susanna from KK, Kota Kinabalu, Sabah. And then we have from Indonesia. Afdan from Indonesia. And we have from Kuala Lumpur. Give a hand to Kuala Lumpur from Kuantan. Taiwan! From Taiwan. We have one from Taiwan. Awesome. I cannot read the language. And from Sydney. Live from Sydney. Awesome. From Sabah. Petaling Jaya. PJ. And from Taiwan. You have to give a hand from Taiwan. Awesome. And from Thailand. Thailand with open border for this coming March. So we see you in Thailand as well. From Philippines. Give a hand to Philippines. Awesome. Australia. Give a hand to Australia. Australia people, when see, strangers or see new people, that they're going to say that, how things get going. How things get going. All right. So Brunei. Welcome Brunei. And welcome. So I'm Geraldo. I'm going to host for tonight. And I'm going to play some video. What is WikiFX? We're going to brought to you for tonight, special from Zero to Hero. So I'm going to play a video about WikiFX. At least you know, at least an introduction for WikiFX. And before that, I want to share who are WikiFX. So WikiFX is the alternative FX broker an IB query platform in the Forex industry, offering accurate and comprehensive broker informations, including regulatory information, all dimension reviews, risk assessment, as well as a Forex calculator. And it's provide educations and scam alert, providing investor with the most realistic data and scenarios to choose a convenient platform. And the goal for the WikiFX as a well-known Forex media at home and abroad. WikiFX has been deeply plowing in the Forex industry since its foundation and is committed to build a good economic order to the global Forex industry, optimizing and protecting the trading environment of the Forex market. Since 2008, WikiFX offline exhibitions brand have Wiki Expo, and offline as saloon have been held in a number of countries around the world, such as China, Taiwan, Australia, Sydney, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh, Thailand, Bangkok, and so on. In doing so, we built an offline meetup platform for both broker and investor. And the headquarters of WikiFX is in China, and we have branch offices all over the world, especially in Southeast Asia, including Vietnam, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, Japan, USA, Sydney, UK, and etc. Alright, so we've done with the introduction. I'm going to play with the video introduction of the WikiFX. Let's go! Let's roll! Welcome, Wendy!
WikiFX is a third-party inquiry platform that provides information about the legitimacy, compliance, and authenticity of Forex brokers. We offer a variety of services related to Forex brokers worldwide, such as data inquiry, regulatory inquiry, license inquiry, risk warning, credit evaluation, broker identification, broker monitoring, complaints and rights protection, credit reports downloading, and related Forex brokers inquiry, etc. Imagine all these useful functions. Pretty awesome. Anyway, WikiFX has all you want. Besides these, WikiFX also comprehensively evaluates Forex brokers and aspects of license value, regulatory level, software quality, risk controllability, and business strength based on our technology-driven system and authoritative data. The license value of a Forex broker is a comprehensive assessment of the authenticity, value, and applicability, etc. of the broker's license, examined by the WikiFX legal team through multiple methods such as querying on the regulator's website or communicating with the regulator via phone and email. Doesn't it sound cool to you? The regulatory level of a Forex broker is quantitatively evaluated by the WikiFX compliance team, audit team, and WikiFX sniffer system through various high technologies, including regulatory rating standard, actual regulatory value divestiture model, regulatory utility model, abnormal factors prediction model, etc. As for the software quality of a Forex broker, it is tested and evaluated by the test engineers with WikiFX data and sting detect system in aspects of over 20 factors of a broker, including reliability, authenticity, security, stability, designated execution speed, etc. And then, here comes the risk controllability, which is obtained through real-time monitoring and evaluation of over 40 indexes, including the Order Execution Index, Customer Fund Static Index, Global Public Opinion Index, Liquidity Index, and Credit Index by the WikiFX Risk Control Team and Cloud System. The business strengths of a Forex broker is systematically evaluated by the WikiFX Global Enterprise Consultants and Global Eye System through more than 10 test models, including business compliance identification, business sustainability assessment, and business life cycle identification, etc. Unlike some other third-party Forex inquiry platforms, WikiFX does not charge public relations fee, advertising fee, ranking fee, and other unjustified fees from Forex brokers. All our data are collected from official regulatory authorities and WikiFX smart analysis system based on high technology and real data. WikiFX is committed to identifying fraud brokers for you and offers you a reliable and clean trading environment. Come and join us.
Check Forex platform. Never miss WikiFX.
Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. That's a short introduction with WikiFX. Give a hand to WikiFX, guys. Give a hand. Awesome. All right, we want to do some housekeeping. After this, we have a few speakers and one trainer they're going to share with you. And you can ask questions on the chat below. All right, you can ask questions on the chat below. All right, please like and share this video to your friend as well, and so that they can have education information for tonight. All right, before that, I want you, if you are in YouTube, please go into the main page in WikiFX Malaysia. I'm going to put a link in the chat below. All right, if you are in the page as well, so should be fine. If you are not, please go to the page. All right, please go. We have almost 150 tonight, live streaming from all over the world. And thank you so much. I'm Juro Azrul. I'm host and speaker. I'm from Malaysia, and I focus on the product education for the past 15 years in experience. All right. All right. Thank you so much, Aziz, for like and share. Thank you so much. Okay. So now we have a few minutes left. Just make sure if you have a questions, so please write down the questions on the chat below. How are you doing, guys? Are you doing okay? Are you doing okay? So tonight we're going to talk about zero to hero. I have some information. It's very good information. It's very proven information how to make money from zero and to hero consistently and making and grow money. And I have a very special guest tonight with me. Is a veteran trader as well. I'm going to share with you. All right, without further ado. All right, we're going to start with our special angle side from the brokerage is from ATFX. All right, ATFX. Who's known ATFX before? How many of you know about the ATFX before? ATFX, please type ATFX. Shazmi Khan said, doing great tonight. How about you, Coach? Good, I'm good. All right, please highlight the question as well sometime. All right. And all the feedback as well. Hi, Manjo. Please go to the Facebook as well. All right. So about ATFX. ATFX is a broker offering the ability to trade a range of assets and aim to make their platform simple to use with support for the MetaTrader 4 software. Most of us using MetaTrader software, right? ATFX also proud to be publicly recognized worldwide as one of the best Forex CFD broker, both by our clients and industry specialists. All right, so let's get Chris. Mr. Chris. Hi, Chris. How are you? All right. We wait for the audio. All right. Okay. Cool. Chris, how are you, Chris?
I'm fine. How about you, man?
Good. I'm good. I'm really excited for tonight. We share for hundreds of people tonight from various part of the world. And by the way, can you tell us a bit about yourself, Chris, where you from and what you do basically before we start with your presentations.
Okay, actually I'm Chris from Malaysia, so I'm actually ATFS market analyst as you can see in the video just now. So actually for today I will share a lot about our brokerage, because you guys are here for the main topic today, from how to become a hero from zero, is it? Okay.
Yep.
So okay, can you help me to play the video that I sent you just now?
Yep. All right. So we have some video about the broker, and also we have some questions. We also coming the question from Aris Wall that want to ask what the meaning by regulated, and something that we're going to answer after this. All right. So we play the video first. All right.
Okay.
Eating.
All right, give a hand to ATFX. All right, back to you, Chris,
Okay.
please. Yep.
So actually talk about the regulation. You know why is the regulation for? Because how to say, the regulation actually the regulatory they are here to make sure broker is doing something legalized. Because you know a lot. There's a lot of scam things happen in Malaysia and also in many other countries. So the regulation actually is very important in brokerage firm. So and also yeah. I think that's the question. That's the answer for your question. So how about Gerald? Hello.
Important. That's a very short answer, but really important for us to
Yeah,
know
yeah,
that
that's
how
correct.
we're being protected. All right, so back to your presentation,
correct.
Chris. All right, yeah, you want to present something, right? So for our guests, basically, if you guys have any questions, just throw it out or put it in the chat below, so I can read for Chris. All right. All right, Chris, go your presentations.
Okay. So actually, let me show you how to say how we ATFS support our client because I'm not today to talk a lot about our brokerage firm. So I would just want to show you how we support our traders. Okay. So the first one is we run a lot of seminars and also webinars for our client for them to learn more about trading, learn more about the market analysis, and then learn more about the trading strategies. Okay. Then the second one, we also provide daily market outlook for our clients to let them know what is actually happening in the market and for the market outlook for today, for tomorrow, and also for next week. And also we provide a lot of trading tools for our clients, such as the Trading Central and also the Auto Charties. So and the last one, we also provide live market forecast for our clients. So actually, how to say, we just want to provide a better and better environment for our client to do trading with us. So actually, we just like your supporter. Okay, so we support you to become a better and better trader. Okay, so actually for today I want to show you like give me a moment, let me share the screen a bit. Could you see my screen could you see my screen now?
It's already on the screen, Chris.
On the screen, okay, so you
Yep.
can see my MT4 now, right?
Yep.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so actually, because I just want to tell you, we provide quite a lot of like some basic knowledge about MT4. So MT4 after you create a trading account from the broker. So if you just want to log into your MT4, it's actually very easy. So it's after you install your MT4 inside your laptop, you just have to click the file here. Okay, just log into trade account, and then you have to key in your login ID, your password, something like that. Because I just want to let you know the simple step of the MT4. Then after that, about how to make money. Then
Okay, sorry,
Jero
Chris.
and Kayan will
Sorry,
teach you
Chris.
some.
Hi, Chris. So you want to show your it's not your presentation, right? You want to show your computer, right? Yeah. You already clicked share?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, maybe
I
we
saw the
okay,
share.
maybe we got share another one. Can you do it again? Another one?
Yep. Yeah. Here. You can see, right?
It's not there. You need to use the stream yet. All right.
Yeah, that's the stream. Yeah.
All right. So, can you share again? So because it's
Okay, let me try it again.
I'll try again. You need to share.
Okay, share, then share screen.
Yep, and then choose Windows.
Window,
So which
and
window
then
you want to share?
Yeah, the MT4. I did.
Yep, the MT4. All right. Okay, now.
Okay, you can see it, right?
Okay,
sorry,
can
let
see
me-
now. All right, awesome.
Okay. Now, actually, because how to say,
okay.
I just want to show some simple step in MT4 to all our clients,
Cool.
just to make sure them they know how to do, and then afterwards, like how to make money, and then our main speaker tonight, Jero and Kayong, they will teach you how to make money. So very easy. So for the easy step, just let me show you. Okay. So after you log into your MT4, you just have to log into your account. Then you just have to click the file on the top left screen here. Then you just have to press this login to trade account. It's very easy. Okay, after that, then you have to key in your login ID and password, which you get from your broker after you create the trading account. So after that, you have to choose the correct server. So if you create a demo account, then you just have to choose the demo server. But if you create a live account, then you just have to choose the live server. After that, then this one is very important. How to say? Because save account information. If you didn't tick this, then you have to every time you open up your MT4, then you have to key in your password every time. So for better, so you just tick this, then you just press login, and very easy. So for this simple step, now so if you want to know how actually you log in successfully or not, so you just have to check on the bottom right screen here you can see the connection status here. So if it's showing like green and blue color, which means the connection is actually successful. So if it's showing red color, means your connection is not successful. Maybe you key in the incorrect password, or the incorrect login ID. So you have to check over again. Okay, so actually we ITFS provide a lot of trading instrument for our clients. So you just have to come to Market Watch here, right click, and then you just have to check the symbols. Maybe, or you can click the shortcut key here, which is Control and U. Just press it, and then here are all our trading instruments that we provide to our clients. So we provide like Forex, trading instruments, gold, silver, indices, this one futures, energies, Hong Kong share, US share, EU share, even we have the ETF, CFD ETF, and also we have the cryptocurrencies. So actually, if you not really want to trade all of the instrument, you can just actually right click and hide all the trading instrument here. It's very simple. So after that, if you want to trade example for today, if you want to trade gold, so you just have to go to the gold here, and then double click this one. As a USD, this is our gold trading instrument, the code. So after that, maybe you want to trade some Forex major pair, you just have to click show here, or you can choose one by one based on your behavior. So in here, actually you can adjust the list here. Like, okay, if you want to USDJPY show in the top of the list, just have to left click and drag to the top here. Okay, now so actually we provide a lot of things for our clients a lot of trading instrument for our client to trade. We create a better, a good environment for our traders. We let them to learn more about trading, learn more about about trading strategies, about market forecast, and about the market, what it means. Okay, so actually that's all what I want to just want to bring to you tonight. That's all for my part. So Gerald, do you hear?
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much, Gary. It's a crash course on the how to use very various. We have said is good. All right, Chris. Some question from our. It's from Azman Arifin. Can you show the Azman Arifin's questions for Chris? Azman Arifin's. All right, I saw Azman Arifin's. All right, so Azman Arifin questions is how to deposit. Is there any local depositor or local online payment like Pay Trust, Gate or something? Basically, Azman Arifin want to know how to make a deposit to ATFX. What the channel that you have for deposits?
Okay, yes, we are using local depositor like PayTrust 88. Yep, and we also provide a lot of online deposit like PayPal, like also NetTeller, and also other like online deposit. And also we provide like crypto like USDT deposit. There's also able to deposit. It's very easy because we provide a lot of deposit channel for clients.
Yeah, it's easy. All right, so there's one question on the spread. How the competitiveness of the spread? You know, most of the traders want to know what the competitiveness of the spread. Can you explain a little bit about the spread?
The spread, because some of the traders, for the scalpers, they will choose the lower spread than the higher spread, right? Okay, so the spread is very important because this is where the broker they earn the money from. And by the way, I don't know which in trading instrument you are talking about the spread.
Okay, let's say for the major pairs.
For the major pair, our spread is like 16 to 22 because it's like a floating spread, so it's not fixed. So 16 to 22. That's our Forex major pair spread.
All right, awesome. All right, we have a question from the Shazme Khan. We're going to highlight the Shazme Khan. So Shazme Khan asked he said that he missed maybe before, but how long that ATFX, all right, how long it has been in the market? So obviously you're from Malaysia, meaning that your location is Malaysia. So when was it founded? Can you tell a little bit about ATFX? How long has it been in the market? And of course, in the video you can see a lot of the serve customer all over the world. But in the short, maybe in a nutshell, can you share? Tell us how long it says ATFX in the markets.
So ATFS actually established at 2017, so it's like 6 years in the market, and we are actually UK broker. So as you can see, like the video show you before just now, okay. So we actually just want to create more and more, a better environment for our clients. So we're going to release like the community copy trade system in next month. Yep, in next month. For our clients to earn more money.
All right, that's superb. That's superb because you also have a different like a copy trade system that can offer you're already good. Most of the traders also good in consistent like 12 month, 24 month, 36 month. You can use the ATFX as a leverage, right, to get more clients. All right, okay, Karyi. I don't know what about audience, but audience seem like more serious on the side of regulation for the broker side, right? So Karyi Lim asked question, exactly what's the regulatory of ATFX? I don't know why they focus on that, but it's a good question as well. Don't be so serious. You can ask also Chris about another thing about the trading side as well. But in this case, we're going to answer the Karyi Lim. Exactly what are the regulator of the ATFX?
we actually having the FCA regulation, which is from UK. So
UK.
actually the regular UK regulation. So what is it? Why the regulation is very important in the industry? Because like this is a broker. You don't know what the broker will going to do with your money, right? So this is why regulation is here to protect your money, and this is why regulation is here to check whether the firm, whether the brokerage firm is doing something legal or something illegal. So they want to check the brokerage, okay? And also, why the WikiFX is here for you, because you can check whether the brokerage is legit or not, okay, in the wikifx.com. So WikiFX, thank you for your service. Okay.
That's it. Awesome. Kari, is that you answer your questions, Kari? All right. So you can just throw us, Kari. Yes, it's a good question. It's a good question. It's very, very specific question, because we know that we put our money there, so we make sure it's safe, and that's why whereby WikiFX also play this big role. All right, to protect your guys, your trader.
Correct.
All right. All right, awesome. Give a hand to Wiki and ATFX. All right. All right, you have another question, guys? Another question, please. Any question to Chris? Okay, Chris, what are the three things, because before we have another just another 10 minutes left. So what you think that in your experience, can you share with us what are the three main criteria that have you seen in your brokerage that these are the trader that consistently making money? What are the three trait or three criteria or the three discipline they have? Just share with us in your experience.
You mean traders?
Yeah,
right?
traders, in the trader side.
So let me tell you about a successful trader. So actually, every successful trader that have a supportive broker. How to say? Because actually, the brokers support them a lot. Like they teach them how to do trade, how to like the event today, like how to become a hero from a zero, and teach them a lot of things about giving a good environment for trade, and then they will grow faster and faster and learn a lot of things from the broker as well, and also learn a lot of things from other people as well. Okay, so actually, how to say, the trading environment is very important for a trader. So means what? Choose the right broker, and then it's good to go. For sure, WikiFS is the best thing. So if you want to know this is a very good broker or not, so you just have to log in, go to the wikifs.com and check the broker. It's very easy. So this is my opinion. So you want to become a successful trader, yes, then you have to find a good broker. That's all.
Yeah, we have a very specific, advice also from the Chris as well. All right. So this is one question from Anu. This is quite interesting. So I'm going to pick Anu questions. So Anu question that, why we need to choose ATFX? What it can offer us? Oh my God. This is quite, big question as well. All right. Why we need to choose ATFX?
Okay, because like I say just now, we provide a lot of market forecasts, and also we provide a lot of free seminars, webinars, and also we provide one-on-one coaching to our traders, and also we provide some daily market outlook for our traders. So to let them, just to let them know we are here with them together, not just they are for trading. They are not trading alone, and they are trading beside us. We are beside them. So this is what we're doing now. Actually, we want to our vision and mission. I think I will I don't need to talk. Just like I can show you the video. So can you, Gerald, help me to play the second video?
All right, awesome. Yeah, it's easier to showcase to you guys in the second video. Okay, let's play the role of the second videos.
Thank you.
All right.
Service is the cornerstone of our existence, underpinning everything we do. Without your loyalty and custom, we can't grow our brand and influence. Your success directly links to ours.
Always seeking improvement, and evaluating what we're doing today to grow better. Always giving traders the knowledge they need and the tools to succeed from day one. And make the experience fantastic.
We want you to regard us as your fintech partner. We'll be with you every step of the way on your trader journey.
We're not just a broker, but a friend and a partner.
Our vision is to create the best trading experience for you to be successful.
So anyone
Anywhere.
can trade.
Our mission is to offer the best products and services,
Build the best technology and educate you ready for success.
ATFX, a global leader in online trading.
Awesome. We have a total 500 tonight. Give a hand, you guys. Give a hand. Tonight with ATFX with Chris and brought to you by WikiFX. All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Chris. Anything else you want to share for the last word?
No, I think that's all for my section. Because I how to say, I don't want to waste your time because you guys are here.
Awesome.
To make money, right? To learn
Yep.
how to make money from Kayung and Gerald. Yeah.
Yeah,
so-
awesome. Thank you so much, Chris. Thank you so much. All right. Let's play some song. Some music. All right. Let's go for the second session. Awesome, guys. Please type awesome in the chat. Please type awesome. I want to make sure you're there. I'm going to share you some presentation how to win with the Forex strategy, how to the winning formula in the Forex. I'm going to share you a bit about myself and what the strategy that I'm using. Now, no worries. I'm going to show you the proof for the 1 year consistent from my student as well. All right. All right. Awesome. Emily, awesome. Adan, awesome. Amirul, yes. Good job, guys. Farihan, good job. Hadi, yes, please go to the Facebook page. Now we have 500 with us. Fantastic, awesome. Yes, Jaman, awesome. Can you highlight some of the comment? All right. Oh, Heidi, all right, good job. Awesome, guys. All right, we're gonna share. I'm going to share for the next session. I'm going to share with you about the winning strategy for the Forex formula. Okay, it's my blueprint. I'm going to share for you before we move to the next session with the FPG. All right, type ready. Just a little bit about myself and how we can develop a winning strategy for the Forex. All right, thank you, Aris. Thank you, Shazmi. Thank you, Asrul. Thank you, Zook. Thank you, some of other friends as well. All right, so let's do this. Okay, Shazmi, welcome. Can share directly through the StreamYard as well. Should be no problem. Okay, let's the music down. I'm going to share you with the develop a winning Forex strategy formula from me. Where's myself? I can see myself. There. Where's myself? I need to see myself. All right, we need to share with the StreamYard. Okay, so it's easier. All right, can you showcase back to me? All right, so welcome. I'm going to share you with the winning Forex strategy because I want to show you yourself. I want to explain you more about this, and hopefully you're going to know and how to answer some of the common question. All right, thank you, Aaron Show, for the WikiFX. It's the best. All right. Okay, so after this, we're going to have a broker before the broker site. We have FPG with here. Introduce you. I'm going to introduce you some platform, services, and account open for progress. So basically, I'm going to introduce FPG also is Australian-based broker. I'm going to share with you. All right, so I'm going to discuss your winning a Forex strategy. All right, get ready. Type ready. All right, type ready. Awesome, type ready. All right. So now we're going to share about a little bit myself. Okay, we have 700 tonight. Give a hand for 700. 700 tonight. I give a hand. All right. We're going to share so the next slide. Okay, just a little bit about myself, guys. About myself. All right, just a little bit about myself. Basically, I have a 15 years experience in Forex and gold market, and also has helped almost 60,000 traders all over the world, all over the Asia since 2016 and throughout the YouTube channel. And I've been awarded as a Best Trading Guru 2009 by Traders Award Malaysia by Trader Award International, and also trained Malaysia celebrity to start make money in financial market. Now with my student, I've become the trainer helping student daily to achieve 1,000 paid monthly through the membership. And most important, I want to share you the strategy that for tonight is, all right, what going to save you a lot of money when it costs you a lot of money, that you need to understand the strategy is from the Anthony Robbins. I would like to credit to him is 80% psychology and 20% mechanic. Meaning you need to master your inner self in order to get the output of the outer self. 20% mechanic, what I mean. Okay, next. Okay, so I want to introduce you the 3M method. It's a mind, method, and money. Okay, 3M formula is a mind, method, money. So the first one need to understand is about mindset. All right, what you need to focus on is mindset. What you need to focus on? Mindset, right? So this focus on the trader mindset, and the 3 pillar is really important. The 3 pillar is important. The first pillar is you need to balance between the uptrend and downtrend. You must have ability to do the market mapping analysis through the top-down analysis from monthly to H1 and H1 to monthly. All right, and you need to understand that how to discipline on educations, and you need to balance emotion, guys. You need to balance emotion. Yes, the first one is mindset, Daniel. All right, Daniel Chan. The first one is mindset. Good job. Good job. And the second one is method. You need a method. After you have a mindset, you need a method. So what kind of method? We have thousands of techniques, systems in the market all over the world. All right, they are all good. But you need to understand what governs the method is the mindset itself. And the method is you can use a technical analysis. So many of students ask which one to use. You can choose either technical analysis or fundamental analysis, and you can choose the sentiment analysis. So the 3 types of method is technical analysis, the first one, and the second one is fundamental analysis, and third one is sentiment analysis. And don't forget, what's going to make you big win in the market in the long run is the money management. It's called money, it's a risk management, and it's based on risk tolerance. And you must remember this quote, all right? The psychology, the belief quote is take care the risk first, and reward will take care themselves. All right, so this 3M method, please type mind, method, and money. Please type on the chat, mind, method, and money. All right, awesome. Type awesome as well. Okay, going back to the main stage, we're ready for the next session. This is a glimpse for you I'm going to share tonight, how to start from zero to hero. The first one is you need a very focused mindset. You need to know what the mindset is, psychology. So the mindset, I teach on the 3 angles. First is the psychology, and then philosophy, and the belief. Okay, I really follow Dr. Van Kartap. Teaching is focused on you don't trade the market, but you trade your belief on the market. That's why the psychology is really important. Awesome, Hanafi. Good job. All right. So let's do for the second session. Okay, type ready, guys. Type ready. Please type ready. Okay, before I start, I want to show you about the FPG. Can we show the FPG logo? So FPG is an Australian-based world-leading financial services group that currently has over 10,000 active traders from over 30 countries around the world. They take the client satisfaction as it's a top of priority. Working with several regulations. Many of us ask for the regulations. So working with several regulations in the different jurisdictions, FPG makes sure the investor enjoy expected returns while being assured that the capital is kept safe. It's really important. You always protect the capital. Striving to give their traders and partners the edge they need to succeed, FPG provide the most competitive and reliable pricing from 0 pip, guys. 0 pip. who asked for the for the spread now. FPG most competitive and reliable pricing from zero pay multiple trading asset like Forex, crypto. How many of you like to trade crypto? Type crypto, gold and oil for the client to enjoy the ultimate trading experience. All right, so we're gonna bring to you Mr. Jose from Philippines. Going to share with you about the FPG and share some blueprint that you can also start from zero to hero. All right, give a hand to Mr. Jose. Give a hand, guys. Come on, guys. Please type Jose. Please type Jose. All right, awesome. Good job, Lukman. Good job, Adan. Awesome. Yes, and Silver. Yes, and Silver. Shazmi Khan say hello, Mr. Jose. Awesome. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening, Jose. All right, so let's focus on Jose. All right, so the floor is yours.
Okay, good evening to everyone.
Yeah, we have 727 tonight. Give a hand to all.
Everyone. Okay.
All right, so almost 1,000 for tonight. Awesome, good job, guys. Good job. And with Mr. Jose tonight. Yes, Mr. Jose, please.
Okay, let me introduce myself first. I happen to be a financial literacy advocate. I am a licensed financial advisor and also a 5-time member of this MDRT. For those who are in the insurance business, MDRT refers, well, it means Million Round Table. It is an association of financial professionals worldwide, and I happen to be a member of that for 5 times in a row. Okay, and well, of course, a registered financial planner, estate planners as well, and of course, I belong to the.
Okay, Mr. Jose. Mr. Jose.
Can you hear me?
I'm sorry for interrupting.
Yes.
Can you share your presentation again through the StreamYard?
Okay, I'll go to the StreamYard first.
Yeah, StreamYard. By the way, Mr. Jose, I can see he wants of the most prepared, all right, most prepared, speaker tonight. I can see that himself doing some lots of presentations, so making adjustment for presentation for you guys for tonight. So give a hand to Mr. Jose. All right, Amy Takashi said Wiki FX is great, awesome. Lena Chris says FPG is great, awesome. Please, FPG is great, awesome. Lena Chris. Yes, a lot of awesome. All right, so Jose, we have your presentation. You need to share. No, not yet. Mr. Jose, you need to share your windows. Don't share the screen. So share,
okay.
and then share the windows and the presentation. It's going to do straightforward to your PowerPoint presentation. All right, can you do it again? No problem. Just take your time. Hadi, how are you doing? Azizi, how are you doing? Amy, how are you doing? Ellen, how are you doing? Lena, how are you doing? All right. How you guys doing? Good? If you're good, type good. 700 live streaming with us tonight, guys. Thank you so much from all over the world, especially in Asia, because our time is quite similar time. David, welcome David. Welcome David. Awesome, Hadi. Good job, Hadi. All right. Awesome. All right, Azizi doing great. Good. Zarin said awesome. Awesome. Okay, we need a technical team to stop the share first, because I think Mr. Jose need to share again. Okay.
I can't see the. Can you see it?
Okay, let put on the screen.
Prime Global ay isang group of companies.
Okay.
Oh no, that's not the presentations. So Mr. Jose,
that's part of the presentation actually.
That's your presentation. Okay. Is automatic?
Can I do it? Yes.
It's not a PowerPoint?
No, it's just a video.
Okay. So we play the video. All right.
Okay. Can I do it?
Okay. Yeah. Play the video.
Ang aming headquarters ay located sa Melbourne, Australia. We also have a support office here in Makati, Philippines.
With more than 20 years of market existence, Fortune Prime Global is licensed and regulated by top body regulatory bodies such as Australia Securities and Investment Commission and Vanuatu Financial Services Commission. Ang philosophy namin dito sa Fortune Prime Global ay simple lang. That is to ensure client satisfaction. And in return, we earn clients' loyalty to the company.
We always make sure of your money with us because we value our credibility and reputation in the industry. And we strictly adhere to the rules and regulations set forth by the regulatory bodies such as Australian Securities Investment Commission and the Vanuatu Financial Commission, which happen to be the defenders of the investors' rights.
Dito sa Fortune Prime Group, we are offering the most competitive referral program as well as link-leading white label solutions.
We have never made any compromises, lalo na if it will affect the client's trading experience, which is why we offer tight spreads and the best execution.
Knowledge is very important to our business. Kaya naman, we were also offering seminars and workshops to everyone who are willing to understand the trading business.
We always try to give our traders and partners the edge of their need to succeed. This is our purpose at Fortune Prime Global.
Show you the PowerPoint.
Okay, going to share to PowerPoint now. All right, so where's the PowerPoint? I think the last one. Says also the video. Oh, that says Mr. Jose, I need you to share the PowerPoint again.
Yeah, I will, but it's not. Oh.
All right, how you guys doing? Jose, give it time. This is a technical issue. No worries. We're going to make things. Jose. All right. Give Mr. Jose a time. And can you please, guys, from technical team, stop all the sharing from the Mr. Jose. All right. Just stop. No, stop. Point it out on the. Yeah. All right. Thank you.
And then go to.
Yep.
I can find the file now.
Okay, you need to share the screens, share and window, and please, open the PowerPoint first.
Okay.
Open the PowerPoint first. All right, awesome. The PowerPoint. Make sure it's PowerPoint.
Yeah, it's there. Yeah.
Is there? Mr. Jose is not there, I think. Can technically scroll down? I want to see. Okay, it's not there. It's a video. You share the videos. We need you to share the PowerPoint that you shared before. How you doing, guys? Are you still okay? Mr. Azin said, "Grabby talaga." What's that? No, don't share the video. Don't share the video. Please share the PowerPoint. You open the PowerPoint. Don't open the videos. You currently share the same videos. Okay, I have you. You click on the share, and you click on the share screen. Share screen. Share screen.
Share screen. Then.
Yep, and then you click on the window.
Oh, I don't see the window now.
You don't see the window?
Yeah.
All right. Somehow, can we have the presentation slide with us? Do we have some presentation slide from Mr. Jose? All right. Okay. No worries, Azme. So, Mr. Jose have a problem. Okay. We're going to solve Mr. Jose's problem with us after this. Please make sure that he has the slide presentation, and before I'm going to share my presentation again. Is it okay with you guys? So we need some adjustment. In the market, we need to have flexibility. What's the words? Flexibility. You must be adaptive and flexible enough to know where the market is going. Sometimes market will follow us and sometimes will against us. How you know? How many of you know what I'm talking about? And please download from WikiFX Malaysia. I'm going to highlight there. Please download the WikiFX and make more money in 2022 now. All right. So I'm going to highlight on the screen now from WikiFX Malaysia. All right. Okay. Yep. WikiFX Malaysia is still not available. I'm not sure. I'm going to ask some Wiki. All right. So Mr. Jose, before I just about to start now, Mr. Jose, he suddenly appear with his presentation. All right, back to Mr. Jose. Back to Mr. Jose.
I have
Yep. Now you have your presentation. All right, back to me. Okay.
I happen to be a licensed financial advisor.
Yep. Awesome.
I happen to be a member of this for 5 times. This is actually an association of financial professionals worldwide. An associate financial as well, planner as well, certified estate planner. And because of that, I have founded Forex Consult Philippines. It is an educator of OTC or over-the-counter financial instruments. I have a Facebook on this, and I also have a YouTube channel on this. That's the name, the Forex Consult Philippines. And I also happen to be a mobile journalist of one of a media outlet here in the Philippines. Okay, and I belong to the generations of baby boomers. I would say, more than 30 years of experience in this derivatives trading business. You were still young at the time. Jerome must be around 10 years old. Right now, well, I did mention already about the FPG. It's, you got to know about who the people are. Okay, Fortune Prime Global. It is an Australian-based company, and we have 2 regulators. We are regulated by the Australian.
All right, Mr. Jose.
Yes.
I'm sorry, Mr. Jose. Are you sharing with the full screen now? With the full. Can you go without sharing with the full screen? You go to the slide and don't use the full screen.
Yeah, I'm using the full screen right now.
Please don't use on full screen right now because you share. It's easier to share from the. Yes, from that side. That's good. Is
this better?
Can you share? Yeah, this is better. And by the way, you're right. You started 30 years ago. I'm like 10 years old in that time. All right. Yeah.
So
Please.
anyway, I have witnessed all the all the major setbacks 30 years back. Okay, now at the moment we are in the lookout. Well, during this time of pandemic, we are in the lookout for a money making machine. And for you to understand this, let me just show you first the pyramid of investments, or maybe the hierarchy of investments. Now, okay, most people, they put their money in fixed income deposits. Well, we call them traditional investments. And these are basically the savings account, time deposits. Well, very well that while in the Philippines, the interest rate here is 1/4 of 1%. US, of course, it follows the interest rate of the US. You know very well also that the inflation rate is 7%. Okay, if your investments here under traditional investments are only making something like 1%, then, ladies and gentlemen, you're losing money. That's why we look for a more, we diversify, we look for to the second category, which we call speculative investments. And under this are, of course, the mutual funds, trust funds, and investment-linked insurance products. Included in this category also is the stock market. Okay. Now, of course, there's one area which is less explored, and these are the highly speculative ones. And falling under this are commodity futures trading, spot forex, contract for difference, and cryptocurrencies. These are our choices. Okay, of course, our concentration here is the yellow one, yellow colored triangle. High risk, high income. Okay, we'll just focus here on forex trading, and well, we call this they fall this under derivatives trading. Okay, of course, there's a secret here to make money, and let me show you the next slide. This is similar to what Jerome mentioned, but this is what we call the golden triangle in forex trading. Okay, the first triangle is the market condition. When we talk about the market condition, we refer to, of course, the financial market. And for us to know the direction of the financial market, we have to read the mind of the financial market. And there are two attacks to know this. Well, we call this two schools of thought. One is what we call the fundamental analysis. The advocates of this are called fundamentalists. You know, they keep track of the monetary policy, fiscal policies, even acts of nature or acts of gods maybe. And of course, the movement of oil, the movement of gold, the flagship of all metals, and of course, the current issues like Ukraine, and of course, specifically, the impending rate hikes and the QE or the quantitative easing policies, which are designed, well, these are actually stimulus packages, and they're there actually to mitigate the increasing inflation rate. This is very important in trading, the market conditions, reading the mind of the market. Okay, the other triangle is the market setup. What do we mean by market setup? Like an architect, well, before they make a project, they have a blueprint, right? They put everything there. Well, if you run a business, you need a business plan. You need a feasibility study. And a trader also has a trading plan. And what is included in the trading plan? Of course, the capital that you can afford to lose. Number two, of course, the trading strategies that you're going to use. These are, of course, the cut loss strategies, averaging strategies, hedging, and so forth. These are meant actually to cut the losses and increase the profit. So it is a must that every trader must know this market setup. And the third triangle that forms the big triangle or the golden triangle is the psychology of trading. Ladies and gentlemen, we are all emotional creatures. Whatever we do are determined by our emotions. When you get to executive buying positions and it doesn't favor you, of course, tantrums would come in. You get angry and so forth. So these are some of the emotions that can kill you. It can derail your frame of mind. So this is very important. Among all the emotions which we call monsters in trading are the emotions of anger, the emotions of fear, the emotion of greed, and the emotion of fear, greed, and revenge. A good trader has to set you know, aside or maybe put all these emotions into a parenthesis for them to have a very good mindset to trade. That's why in order to because it's very hard actually to separate the emotions from our action plan. So sometimes that's the reason also why people use artificial intelligence, mind of a person, to a machine to eliminate the emotions in trading. Well, this is this offshoot of this are of course the robot trading, and etc. These three angles, or Jiro call it three pillars: market conditions, market setup, and psychology of trading. They are a must for you to arrive at the highest level of profitability or probability, I should say. This is the secret of making money in currency trading. Okay. So probably this is all I could share to everybody. Now, I'd like us to, well, this is what I can share to everybody in making money. Just remember this. Forex trading is not an investment because the mindset of an investment, the capital must not be impaired. So what we talk here about will just be the interest rates, the interest income, the yield, or the earnings that we will have. Forex trading is a simple online business and yet least understood. That's why sometimes they call it's a scam because they know anything about this. Okay, so invest in education, and for sure you can come up with educated guess, calculated risk. Remember, forex traders borders on gambling. That's why we have to have this golden triangle in forex tradings, and this separates this from gambling. Okay, thank you very much. That's what I have to share for tonight. Jiro?
Okay, awesome. That is superb. I believe this is a real, genuine, the gist of the 30 years experience, right? Thank you so much. I really, I can smell it. I can feel it. This is the real truth. This is like emotions game. We need to know. I like the way you said it. We are we call it as our nature is about emotions, right? So we're talking about how to separate emotions. That's superb. And you're talking about the market condition, market setup. It's really good sharing for tonight. So how many of you learned something tonight? All right, can you say what did you learn? Can you type on the chat box? We have like 1,400 with tonight. All right. Okay, so Zook said we as a trader need to put aside this emotion, fear, greed, and revenge. Yes, that the point that been talked about by Mr. Jose. Thank you for sharing, Mr. Jose. Thank you for sharing. Awesome, Zook. All right, so maybe we're going to talk a little bit more about FPG itself. So what do you do for FPG, basically?
Oh, for FPG, I happen to be the country manager. And again, the question is why FPG?
Yep.
Number
Yep.
one, you did mention about the low spreads. We have a, shall we say, guaranteed 1 pip. That's $10
Wow.
over. $1. Okay. No, $1, but 1 pip or $10
Yep.
for every trading transactions. Okay. That is your trading costs. Now, second, we are regulated by Australian Securities Investment Commission and the Vanuatu Financial Commission. You might ask why two. Vanuatu is a spare tire. So if there would be some problems that come out, it will not disturb the client's, trading. Now, I'd like also to include, to make mention about, maybe if you've heard about professional indemnity insurance, we have this. Vanuatu also has bonds. Well, of course, it's an insurance also. If something happens to the company or to the, well, people can run after that. These are the protections that we give. Another thing is we have a director by the name of Jeremiah Jestro. He's the regional head of Fortune Prime Global. He is also a director of that company. So anything goes wrong to your trading, you don't just talk to a machine. You don't chat. You go directly to him and you can trade with confidence. So these are some of our comparative advantages over the rest. And I'd like to include also being a financial advisor. We also give some sort of a financial advice. We're not only talking about money making machine here, we also talk about financial management. And we give that for free. And for every investor that we has, or maybe somebody who's gonna immediately deposit, gets an insurance coverage of 50,000 pesos actual pesos because FPG cares. So these are things, well, shall we say, which make us more competitive over the rest. So I think that's what I have to say, sir.
Yep. That's wonderful. FPG cares, guys. You can feel it is from the heart. FPG cares. Cares. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Maybe we have some question from Kyle. Kyle Ying. It's
Well,
more
what do you
on
want to
the.
say?
Yeah. Please.
Okay, we also have a teleradio every 12:30 to 1:30 every Friday.
Yep.
We conduct financial literacy programs.
Wow.
Every Friday.
Financial literacy program. Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
As
That's
I
good.
said, because I used to host also another financial literacy program for less than a year with Euro TV. It's
Wow.
also a media outlet.
Mm-hmm,
That's only 1
mm-hmm.
hour a day every Thursday then. But
Mm-hmm.
this time we're now concentrated on this
Yep.
financial literacy program.
Yeah, that's a must thing to to get people more educated and more educated in the financial especially, right? So just a quick simple question from Lisa Chen.
Yeah, go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
All right. So Lisa Chen said basically she's interested in FPG and how to open an account.
How to open an account?
Yep.
Oh, it's easily just like what from ATF did. You just go to the website.
Yep.
And well, there's an instruction on how to open an account.
Yeah, just follow the instructions in the website.
Second, you can also go to our website. Just register there, and an account manager will call you up and to help you out to be a member of FPG. I hope we have answered that question, madam.
What is the website? Tom Low asking what the website.
FortunePrimeGlobal.com.
FortunePrimeGlobal.com, guys. Can you type it? The team, Fortune Prime Globals. All right, I'm going to highlight to you. All right. So just a last questions from our guest. Right now, we're increasing to 4,500 live streaming with us, Mr. Jose. Thank you so much. Give a hand to all. Give a hand to all. All right. Okay, so the question is about the, I believe it's on gold, okay, in the gold market, all right? Just share your thought based on your gold market, all right? So one of the questions that the Kyle Ying state there that want to know the trend of gold. Is it permanently because of you said before that market condition is also, you mentioned that about Ukraine and Russian issue as well, right? And then you have the golden triangle of the secret of the making money. So by the way, Kyle also asked question, what is the trend for gold? What do you think, in your own opinion?
Okay, number one, let me show you the 4 characteristics of gold.
Yep,
gold
please.
has universal appeal. Okay, gold has this is indestructible. It cannot be destroyed by fire. Gold is malleable. It can be turned into several forms. Fourth, it is portable. 4 characteristics of gold as to why gold is being sought as an investment. Okay. Now, you were asking about the trend in gold. Gold, as they say, is a hedge against inflation. The inflation rate right now in the US is more than 7%. So when you buy gold, well, you see gold is right. It's heading towards, I think, 2001. It's now 1009, I guess. Okay, it's now heading towards that because of inflation. So the trend is going north. That is the trend right now for gold. Until such time that the inflation is mitigated. Now, the US governments have been using this to increase the interest rate, to to weaken the US dollar. They've been also decreasing the QE, quantitative easing, to weaken the dollar. So what's going to happen to gold? These market movers actually support the upswing of gold. Yeah, thank you.
All right, awesome. There's a brief, focus on the gold. Thank you so much, Mr. Halsey. So he swing to the north. And of course, you need to understand that it's also up and down because of market supply and demand. Just wait for the time. And with the right timing, with the right, technical analysis, with the right also mindset, you also can make money over the gold. All right, thank you so much. So give a hand to Mr. Jose. Give a hand. Thank you so much. We really appreciate, and thank you so much from FBG. So please have a look at FBG and before this ATFX. All right. So thank you so much. Bye. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Love stations. All right. Thank you so much. Now we're going for the finale. Last, how to start from zero to hero. Are you ready, guys? If you're ready, type ready for the last session. Thank you so much for being with us for 1.5 hours. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Let's do this, guys. We have 4,000 live streaming now. Awesome. Awesome, gentlemen. Awesome. All right. So I'm gonna bring Kar Yong for the session. After this, and we're going to talk with Kar Yong about the Forex market and for some of the commodity market as well, and how to start from zero to hero. All right, thank you, Susanna, Salman, welcome. Shazmi, welcome. Afzai, welcome. Shahmi, welcome. And a little bit about Karyong. All right, a little bit about Karyong. Karyong has started trading back in 2012 and started doing it full-time in 2015. Today, he's able to enjoy his financial independence, and all to thanks to the financial market. How many of you want to enjoy your financial independence? Say yes, type yes in the chat. Please type yes. How many of you want to enjoy the financial independence and depend on the financial markets? All right, please type yes on the chat. And Karyong strongly believe with the right guidance and mindset, anyone can succeed in the trading. All right, awesome, Aris. Awesome, Nur Ashraf, awesome. Can you please highlight a few comments just to acknowledge them? Thank you so much. We still have 4,000, 3,900 tonight. All right, for the sessions, oh yes, awesome. All right, so we bring back Karyong for a half an hour and with the Q&A as well. If you have any question regarding mindset, regarding technical analysis, or regarding sharing, it's good to have a right strategy, right mindset, and the right actions. All right. And of course, you can do some more knowledge input to get more awareness about this Forex market especially. All right, so Karyong for Smart Academy, and I think he's still in London, I believe. And we put Karyong on the screen. Hi Karyong, how are you? All right, so let me check the mic first. All right, Karyong, again, hi, hello. Yep. Maybe need to set up a mic. Can you try again? All right, Zawawi, hello. Zawawi, hi, Pukal. Right guidance, right mindset, right action. Yes, right guidance, right mindset. Without the right mindset, also, even you have the right guidance, you don't have the right mindset. Of course, you cannot take the right actions as well. Okay, welcome, guys. How you doing? Are you good so far? Thank you so much, guys, for being with us from the Wiki FX, and I'm from the Route to FTT, Route to Financial Freedom Trader, and with Karyong now with Smart Academy, we have been lovely session with Mr. Chris from ATFX, and now we have a brief sessions with Mr. Halsey. All right, Mr. Halsey from the FPG. All right, now we're back to Karyong. Okay, now we can hear you, Karyong. All right, Karyong, just share with us. What you're doing now and a little bit about your background. Okay, back to you, Karyong.
All right, cool. Thanks. So my name is Karyong. I started trading in Forex since 2012, and of course to date is I think close to 10 years. Right now I actually do beyond FX, so I does investing in the US market, commodities, a little bit into crypto as well. And since 2015 I've been doing this full time. Okay, and of course on the side I also provide some trainings, sharing sessions, something like this for today as well. Yeah, so very blessed for the financial market because that allows me to have the financial industry to travel. Right now actually I'm in the UK. So great for me right now is like afternoon, and then I think in like Malaysia is almost 10 p.m. right? So yep. Hope you guys actually pick up something so far. I'm very excited to share with you more, in this session itself. Yeah, back to you, Jiro.
Okay, awesome, Karyong. All right, now we're going back to our topic is zero to hero. All right, zero to hero, meaning that you don't have any experience in the financial market and you want to start in the financial market, and then you want to really sustain and grow in the financial markets. And also you also mentioned that you goes beyond in the not only Forex, because we have different financial market instruments as well. So from zero experience, people who start in the financial market, so what do you think? Is it he or she should start in very particular specific financial instrument, or what the thing that they need to focus first?
All right.
Yep.
Very, very valid question, right? I mean, if you're someone very new and you come into the financial market, you have like so many options available in front of you. You have like Forex, you have commodities, you have US stocks, you have perhaps local stocks, like whether you're in Malaysia, Indonesia, Vietnam, Thailand, wherever you are, I think there are also local stocks. So which to get started? There's no right answer to that, but to share with you my perspective, where I'm coming from is, if you are looking to be like, you like challenge, okay, you want to go for the toughest one, then I would say FX would be a good one to get started. Okay, if you put that in rank, like which is the easiest to get started, I would say stocks are usually the easier, because the things that's going to affect the stock market is not as complex as the currency world, and if you place it in a scale, then stocks is slightly easier. FX is a little bit more challenging. But from another perspective, if today you're someone who loves challenge, right? I always say you go for the hardest, the most difficult one, and once you acquire that ability to understand that market, and then you go back to the stock market, it's going to be very, very easy for you. Okay, compared to like someone who started with stocks, maybe a little bit easier, and then if they want to then transit into FX, that might be a little bit of challenge as well. So of course, really depends on personality. If you're someone who love challenge, then I would say straight up go for the market. However, if you're someone who's a little bit more laid back, you like a little bit more relaxed way of looking at the financial market, then perhaps like stock market might be a good start.
Okay, so yeah, that's a good one. It's depend on your personality. Do some assessment with your own personality. If you like challenge, you go for Forex. It's more volatility, and you can go from some commodities if you would like. We have a various options right now. We have a various technique, various methodology, various schools. So it's up to you guys. All right, if you have any questions, so please write down on the chat so I can read it to Kayong. All right, Kayong. For the next, if let's say we're talking about the in the capital, right? The capital. So most of the traders ask the one very basic question about the capital. So they ask on the what the minimum. So what the minimum should I start? And the cliche part that they ask for what the minimum, and they want the answer that include that how maximum can I make. So how to balance between that? Most of it, how minimum I can put in investment, put in trading, and how maximum I can get from the forex market or stock market. So how we need to explain to lots of group people like this, especially from zero. Yep.
Yeah, I mean, very, very good and very relevant question as well, especially for people who wants to start. I think the first thing to even address, right, before like sharing what is the minimum amount, what can you expect, is to first do a very quick mindset check. Okay, if to coming into the financial market, whether is it forex, whether is it stocks, whether is it crypto, and you are thinking about, I want to get rich quick next year. Okay, I want to be able to quit my job, travel the world within a year's period of time, and you're very new to the market. It's not possible, because then you'll be taking a lot of risks, or you might potentially be susceptible, or you might be a victim of potential scam because of that mindset. So you need to definitely quick check, right, on yourself when you're entering the financial market, especially if you're very new. Okay, and protect yourself to fall prey to potential scam. So the idea is, you need to see or even investing as something professional, and you need to give yourself sufficient time to acquire the ability, the knowledge. And the shortest period of time where I see someone actually pick up sufficiently to be independent in trading, I would say, with proper guidance and things like that, is as fast as like 3 to 6 months, right? So anything less than that is very challenging. So with that right mindset, okay, and you come into the market, you also need to check like what's the main objective you want to achieve. Is it transit into a full-time trader where you spend time looking at the market trading for income, or do you want to be one of your objectives maybe is to be a passive trader, like you spend maybe 30 days and then that's about it, right? You just need a side income. Okay, it's not your full-fledged income yet, but it's a side income. So you need to get this clear, because that would determine like how much to get started, how much effort you want to put in, right? And in today's context, to get started in FX, you really do not need a lot of money. A good, I would say, about 300 US dollar is more than enough to get started properly, of course. But $300, you can't expect to be a full-time trader next year, right? Because even if, let's say, I give you very good, you double your account within the year, that's $600. You can't leave off, $300 profit in a year. So you need to be aware of your progression as well. If you put in $300, you can't expect to turn full-time next year, okay? But if the focus of it, if you're very new, is to actually acquire the ability to trade. So if today you are able to grow an account from $300 to, let's say, just maybe $400, just $100 profit, but that in percentage term is very huge. So as you continue to grow your capital from $300 to 3,000 to 30,000 to 300,000, that same amount of gains in percentage can be very, very lucrative. So I think that's the perspective that you need to have as a new trader coming into the market. Yeah. So a good expectation to have for yourself, especially if you're very new, is that if today you are able to gain, let's say in a year, maybe in FX about 20 to 30%, with proper risk management, I think that's a very, very solid performance, right? But of course, if you're very new and you're able to just not lose your account within the year, I think that's also a very good achievement, because we have this saying, right? 90% of the traders lose their entire account within the first 3 months. So if you're very new and you're able to protect your downside and last through at least 1 year with proper risk management, I think that is also something that worth celebrating. Yeah, so that's my view. That's my suggestion for new traders coming into the market.
Yeah. That's a very well explained. Between the you need to between the risk and the reward as well. So don't put so much expectations, and you need to do some homework to do realistically in what you are doing. All right, very good. Okay, so Farian said manage risk first and sustained account. Yes, that's good. That's good, Farihan. All right, so you have any question? Please write down the questions. So I want to make it a more lively compared than the more presentation based. So hopefully we have another like 20 minutes maximum. So please share with us if you have any questions to Kayong or me. Okay, Jero Azrul. All right, so anyone, you have any questions? So go for the right question. Okay, before we wait for another question, it's about the technique. All right, the technique about the systems. All right, Kayong. So right now we have lots of technical analysts and also how they approach the market in different ways. And most of the zero, experienced trader just started try to find the, as a technique that for sure make them win in the shorter or the longer time. And we have a various, approach to the market, such as we can say it in the general, like a naked chart, use indicator, or use some psychology markets based on supply demands or wave or maybe a different approach. And we can call it a very, large different list of names on the technique itself. So, in your opinion, Kayong, for the technique, is it it's not compulsory? Is it trader need to understand just one technique is enough, or they need to being exposed to many techniques and they feel, okay, this one I should hybrid with this one, or I can choose different technique to approach one account strategy. So what about the technique? Because lots of zero new coming traders, they focus on technique. They want to find the best technique, but they've been exposed to many techniques. So how to deal with this? What the right thing to do as a zero and to become hero, not to waste their time on, finding new technique every time they lose their account, right?
Yeah, I think very, very relevant question as well, right? If someone who is very new, like for example, to start all over again, what is one advice I will give myself so that I can learn and pick up this ability to trade as fast as possible? Now, it is true, like what Jerome mentioned, there are just so many strategies, so many ways of looking at the market out there. And one thing I can share with you based on my experience is there's no such thing as like the holy grail or like the sure win method. Every strategy, every method will have its strength and its own weaknesses. Okay. And as a trader, I think every one of us is different as well, right? Some of us prefer like short term. We like excitement in the market. Some of us likes to be a little bit chill, lay back, right? I don't want to spend so much time in the market. I just want to spend as little time as I can, but at the same time still make money. You need to, of course, also understand yourself as a trader and then match your personality to the right strategy. So in general perspective, if you're looking at strategy, we can categorize them in different components, right? We have like the technical analysis. You look at the charts. We have the fundamental analysis. You look at understanding, what's happening in the economy. How is it going to affect the market? And then we also have, for me, I categorize this as sentiment as well, where there's some events that's happening in the market. How is it going to affect the financial world, right? So for example, like recent, we have like Russia and Ukraine conflict that has a direct impact in equities, has a direct impact in stocks, has a direct impact in FX as well. So you might want to, hopefully today's sharing here give you a broad picture. And as you approach and start to acquire ability and strategies, that you want to then have a clearer idea, like when you're looking at technical analysis, this strategy falls into this category. What is the strength? What's the weaknesses? And then when you look into like understanding the fundamentals, central banks, economy, what is the strength and weaknesses? Okay, and of course, at the end of the day, I always say, right, I always give this analogy. If you're very new, you want to explore as much as you can, but start focusing one at a time. Okay, so there's a slight difference between just zoom in straight out, learn one and ignore the rest, versus explore first, then only focus, right? So the analogy here is if today you go to a buffet, buffet dinner, right? You don't straight away get yourself, that means the first food you see, then you just eat everything and then you get full and then you don't kind of like look out for other alternative, right? Buffet, what you do is you walk around, you look at, okay, which one I like today, which one I don't really like it, and then you choose the one that you like. Okay, so in trading, it's more or less the same. You want to actually explore a little bit first in a various strategy, and then only go back to the one that you think it's fitted to you, and then you spend most of the time go and study that, right? So that's how I would suggest to myself if I were to get started all over again, so that I can, in the shortest period of time, while having that clarity of what trading really is. Yeah, so hope that helps.
All right, awesome, Kayong. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. All right, give a hand to Kayong. All right, now we have the last, over like 15 to 20 minutes. So I open question to you guys, especially. All right, to you guys. I open the questions to you guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to write down on the chat. Amy Takahashi. Wow, is it you're from Japan? Amazing. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's a great thing indeed. Aris Wasley, yes. And please give us a few questions in order we can help and serve you more tonight in the session. Yep. Please, any questions regarding on the markets, regarding on the psychology, regarding on the experience? Please, any questions? I'm waiting for a question. We need some music to pump up. Are you single? Oh my God. I don't know if it's appropriate or not. Kayong, are you single? I think it's a more personal questions. I mean on the market and the professional side. All right, can you guys? All right. Any question? Just drop any question. Don't take it as a very silly question. Don't take it as a silly question. Just take it as an open questions. All right, we have lots of questions about gold. So I'm sorry, guys. I don't know how to pronounce your name. Maybe Kayong can read the names later. I believe it's similar to the person that live with us earlier is from Taiwan, I believe. So they asked about the gold as well. Will gold keep bullish, and it's no sideways or retracement at all? What do you think on the I don't know how to answer this in the exact way, maybe on technical analysis or maybe on a perspective on the longer perspective, but we try to accommodate these questions. So what do you think? Will gold XAU USD keep bullish? What's your opinion?
All right. Yeah. Right. As as Joe mentioned, I think quite a bit of you are interested in gold. Naturally, I think that's one of the most commodities that many people trade. Now, to really answer that questions, I think we need to put certain context into that, right? So when you mean like bullish, for people who are asking this question, okay, it's also good that you frame yourself as a trader, right? When you ask questions like, is gold going to be bullish? You need to give context, like bullish in terms of like, are you looking at 1 year down the road? Are you looking at, later the market? Are you looking at next week? Are you looking at maybe within 2022? So you need to have that context, because just by me answering you like, oh, gold is going to be bullish, but my view can be bullish in the next 3 years, where another trader can be just bullish for the next 1 hour. Okay. So I think in trading, you need to have that clarity as well. So I'm going to share a view more towards from a fundamental perspective. And then I'll share with you maybe a little bit on the technical side, right? So fundamentally, I think the previous speaker from FPG also shared from a fundamental point of view, gold is often seen as a potential hedge against inflation. And inflation, in other words, is actually a devaluation of a currency, right? And with what's happening right now, there's a very good chance, I wouldn't say this is probably going to happen, but you want to keep a very close watch or even be mentally prepared that we might see the dollar lose its strength moving forward, right? And potentially, is there going to be suddenly the dollar is no longer the global reserve currency? There might be that situation as well. Okay, so from a fundamental perspective, there's a very good chance dollar is going to devalue in the long run. Moving forward from here, even though they are looking at interest rate hike and things like that, you look at it from a global macro perspective, there's a very good chance dollar is going to devalue, okay, in the long run. So that means that we need a certain hedge, okay, because if the currency is going to drop, you want to protect the value of it. So you need to hedge it against something. And commodities generally will be a very good hedge because number one, the demand is controlled. There's not a lot of demand, okay, and the value of it that's not being destroyed, right? So like gold is one of them that's very, very popular. Okay, so from that perspective, you can continue to see bullishness in gold, right? From a very long term, from a fundamental perspective. But if I go down to the technical analysis, of course, depending on which time frame you're looking at, I think recently, as of this week here, we saw gold actually strengthen. Okay, and recently it broke off like the previous high. If I give you some levels, it's around 1880. Right now it's trading close to 190. Okay, is there still more upside from a technical point of view? Definitely, right? But you need to understand every market does not go up all the time, okay? It can go up a little bit, come back down, go up a little bit, come back down, and it moves in this kind of nature. So from a technical point of view, I think the next level of resistance that you want to keep a very close watch is somewhere around 19. Okay, if you look at the chart on the daily scale, you can look at that key level, right? 1916. So if you're looking at gold from a technical point of view, then the bullishness can continue all the way until 1916, and you might see some reaction. The market might retrace, might come back a little bit before it continue higher, right? So that's the view that I had on, at least from a longer time frame perspective, from a fundamental as well as a technical. Yeah. So, but I hope you don't just take my view and then go and trade it straight out. But the idea here when I'm sharing with you is I hope to also give you that ability, share with you the skill set of like how to look at the market with clarity, right? That's why I mentioned you can't just ask whether gold is going to go up. You need to understand from the time frame perspective. Are you short term? Are you long term? Are you like fundamentally looking for an alternative to hedge against the US dollar? So I hope that helps. Yeah, that really helps. Because it's also answered the question from Shazme, are you a scalper, swinger, or adapt to the market? I think it's adapt to the market is really important, and lots of things need to consider and put all the context into your perspective and make sure the focus is to make money and make sure you have a system that will make it a result for yourself. All right.
Farhad. Okay, can you highlight Farhad question? We don't have much time, only 10 minutes. So Farhad Nahar. All right, so what is your chart on the dollar index? Oh, we already discussed about it, Farhad. Okay, for the last question, maybe Fabayan. We wrap up about the, I think Fabayan is good, ending for tonight. Okay, Fabayan, where are you from, Fabayan? So, sir, how to learn risk management in a good way? I think what the right way? I think the question to emphasize what the right way to learn for, because many questions ask for what the reward. For tonight, we have Fabayan. Give hand to Fabayan. At least one question on risk management. All right. So maybe we can conclude this session as well. What the best way, or in a good way, or the right way to learn the risk management? How to start? How to properly start in risk management? Yep, it's quite general, but you can put in your contact as well.
Yeah, I would say this is definitely one of the most important skill set to acquire in trading, managing risk, right? To put into very simple understanding of context, risk management is basically you do not want to lose more than what you are prepared in losing. Okay, and when I mean prepared in losing, you need to be clear not only from a financial point of view, but also from a mental point of view. When I meant mental, I mean, like your relationship with money is also pretty important. So you need to understand that level. Give you some example, right? So $1 to some people might be very small, but the same value of $1 to some people can be quite significant. Okay, so there's nothing wrong about that, but that's your relationship with money. Okay, so generally when you go online, a lot of times you hear people say never risk more than 2%, right, of your account, or 1% of your account. But that 2%, 1% does not have a relationship with you. So you need to go deeper and understand how much are you comfortable parting ways with your money, right? So the worst thing in trading is you probably can lose everything. Okay, if you don't control it well, you lose your entire account. Okay, so the worst case scenario here you need to be checking is, are you comfortable in losing every dollar that you invested in your trading account? Okay. If the answer is no, then you need to then do a little bit of adjustment, right? Because what's the worst case can happen is you lose everything, and if that's still okay you, then there's nothing to be worried about, right? And why I bring up that $1 analogy is because I always share, you want to risk in this perspective, right? You want to risk that $1 in trading. Okay, so just put into perspective. Today, if you're in Malaysia, you walk, and then you drop a $1 note. Okay, maybe down the drain, and then you can't pick it up, right? Literally, you lose that $1. Most of us would probably just think, oh, but that's about just $1, nothing much. Just let it go, right? It won't affect your day. Okay, you won't feel bad. You won't no mood to eat. You won't feel angry because it's just $1. Okay, so that mindset, the mentality of that $1 to your lifestyle, that relationship with that needs to be there. Okay, so when you approach trading, you want to risk any amount that to you is just $1, right? So I call that the $1 psychology. Okay, essentially it does not gonna be affecting your lifestyle, your daily lives, your mood, your emotions. It's not gonna affect you. Okay, basically if you lose that trade, what you'll be thinking is, oh, I just lose $1. That's it. Hey, but of course, this dollar here would develop eventually into maybe comfortable with $100, 1,000, etc. But you want to have that mindset and psychology of, oh, it's just $1. Okay. So why I want to bring this up, because it's not just about risking 2%, it's not just about risking 1%. Okay, but it's really a journey of discovery between your relationship of money and you. Okay, so you need to be consciously developing on that as well, because eventually if you're going to start with, oh, I'm only going to risk $1 every time or $10 every time, then you can't scale. Okay, so you need to discover that with money as you progress as a trader, because at the start maybe you're only comfortable risking $10, $100, but as you progress, you scale, you need to be willing and be very comfortable in taking trades like a risk of maybe $500, a risk of $1,000, and to you that is fine. Okay, so this is, I think, a little bit more in that in terms of risk management. of the psychology aspect of risk management compared to the math, right? Because I think mathematical way of calculation, like what's the lot size, things like that, information like this are very available online. Okay, so I think you just need to spend a little bit of time going search. You'll be able to calculate the math out of it. But today, I just want to share from another angle the psychological and the emotional aspect of risk management. So hopefully that helps. Yeah, giving you some different angles from like what you can easily find online.
Yep, that's why we're here. All right, that's why we're here with this session. All right, thank you so much, Kayong. Thanks so much, Kayong. So, few minutes for the last day. Thank you so much, and hopefully we're going to see you again in the next event. Maybe we have offline event with the Wiki Expo. When we first started this session, so lots of people say that they're missing the experience, the ambience of the Wiki Expo. Now we're doing it online because of the pandemic. And thank you so much, guys. Thank you, my Kayong. Bye-bye, Kayong. Thank you. Thank you, Kayong, for Smart Academy. And thank you for you guys for your time. No worries. I have some slide that I'm going to share with you later on, but not tonight, but later on. Just follow me with the my session in Road to FTT as well. Kayong from E-Academy, Smart Academy. And please not to forget, last but not least, thank you so much for ATFX, Mr. Chris. And give a hand to from FPG, Mr. Jose. Give a hand to Mr. Jose. And thank you so much for you guys tonight. We're reaching 4,000 over for tonight's session. Now 3,592 with us. We're from some of the YouTube, on my channel YouTube, and we want you to come to the Facebook page of Wiki Malaysia. Wiki Malaysia is a platform that's going to regulate and protect you from the scam from the broker. And please support WikiFX, please support ATFX, please support also FLG, and also make sure, all right, to educate yourself, all right, with me, with Kayong, and others also. They call teachers out there. All right, so thank you so much, and give a big, really big applause to the WikiFX. Thank you, Caroline and the team. Give a hand to Caroline and the team. All right, see you guys for the next session. If we're available to you on the next session, and make sure please like, comment, and share. What do you think about the WikiFX session tonight? And thank you so much. And that's it. Good night. If you are in Malaysia time, if you're Kayong, it's a good evening, and see you guys later. All right, thank you very much. Bye. Don't forget to download WikiFX apps. All right, don't forget to download. Okay, bye. See you and good night.